it is a multifaceted religion that makes a positive reinterpretation of the meaning of Satan. And it is this last point that I want to talk about here, obviously. So, several authors seek definitions to understand this religion. Some authors argue that expressions of religious Satanism should be understood as a complex negotiation between atheism, secularism, and other religious traditions. And perhaps here lies the first doubt, right, for many who began to study this religious movement. Because although at first it seems that there is a specific cult of Satan, given the name, in fact, people often come across a narrative of religious skepticism, a strong atheist understanding in relation to the religious and the divine, in which the figure of Satan is often not seen as a real divine figure or a specific entity to whom worship is given, but a symbolism that serves as a philosophical and ethical mechanism to expose precisely what is wrong with traditional religions, namely with Christianity. Other authors propose thinking of Satanism from the perspective of social history, as the cult of the character identified by the name of Satan or Lucifer in the Bible, looking at groups with at least a minimum of organization and hierarchy, and also through rituals or liturgical practices. Of course, other doubts arise here, right? Precisely because some groups and people really do worship Satan and or Lucifer, and others not so much. Some people make a clear division between Satan and Lucifer as distinct entities, taking into account the scriptures sometimes, and also what each represents. This also often leads to people confusing Satanism with witchcraft, or actually claiming that witchcraft is Satanism or that Satanism is part of witchcraft. This last point would give rise to hours and hours of conversation.